In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move multiple reports on Salesforce. As a powerful tool used by many, Salesforce can sometimes seem overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this process with ease and clarity. Let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Reports tab within your Salesforce dashboard. You can locate the Reports tab on the main navigation bar. Clicking on it will open up a list of all the reports that you have access to. This is your starting point, and from here, you'll be able to see each report that you have, complete with details like the report name and any additional information you might need. Next, you'll want to locate the specific report that you intend to move. This is important as Salesforce handles each report individually. Take your time to identify the right report. If you have many reports, using the search function or organizing the list by title or date can speed up this process. Once you've found the report, you'll see a small down arrow next to the report name. This is known as the Actions menu, which provides various options related to the report. Clicking on this down arrow will reveal a drop-down menu with different actions you can perform. In this case, you're going to select the Move option. This indicates to Salesforce that you wish to relocate the selected report to a different folder, allowing for better organization or sharing with other team members. Now, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose the new target folder for your report. This window will display a list of existing folders you have access to, so carefully select the folder where you want to move the report. This step is crucial, as placing reports in the right folder can significantly enhance how you or your team manage and retrieve data down the line. Once the correct folder is selected, click the Move button to finalize the transfer. This step confirms your choice and moves the report, updating its location immediately. It's important to note that Salesforce requires you to repeat these steps for each individual report you want to move. Unfortunately, there's no bulk move option, so ensure you're selecting the right report and target folder each time. While this might seem time-consuming, it also allows you to review each report's current location and assess whether the move is necessary, ensuring an organized and efficient report management system. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and reorganize your reports within Salesforce. While it requires a bit of manual input for each report, the resulting organization will help streamline your workflow and improve accessibility for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating Salesforce's report management.